Alright, no!
Some more lines? I don't know.
Okay, people, listen. We have 48 hours to get this film in the can. Okay? Now, I realize that this is not a Hitchcock masterpiece or some Wells magic show. Okay? But I need you monkeys to do what you are paid to do. Now, back to your places. Let's go. Everybody ready?
Yes.
Roll film. Action.
I'll kill you, you lifeless bastard. Yeah, a writer for the Journal once wrote, I was destined to be the next Cagney, a big star. I don't know what happened. I'm stuck in this monster slasher flick here, and it's 1956. I think people deserve better than stiff monsters and bad lighting. I mean, I am a professional here.
This is actually the 13th movie. I guess it's a good thing I'm not superstitious, huh?
I'll kill you, you lifeless mug!
Guys! Cut!
My name is Kevin Keenan, and this is my first movie. And before this, I was making art for corporations and stuff, but this is my true calling.
Cut! Cut! You were supposed to fall backwards, you idiot! Do you realize how much film you have wasted? Do you realize how expensive this shit is? Where's the key grip? Somebody get this lard ass up so we can finish shooting this damn thing. Actually, my previous movie won an award, a Golden Cow. I know that probably doesn't mean anything to you, but it's pretty big in certain circles. Are you kidding me? Excuse me.
He's dead! I can't believe he's dead! He's dead! I killed him! I killed him! I'm gonna go to jail. I can't go to prison. I can't go to prison. I'm a pretty boy. I'm a pretty boy. What did I do?
Alright, look. This doesn't change anything. We are still going to finish this movie. Okay, key grip. Help me lift him up.
I'll kill you, you lifeless mug.
Cut. Alright, that's a wrap, people. Let's put this baby to bed. What people need to understand is this is a cutthroat business. Literally, it is a heart attack waiting to happen. I mean, that's the trick to success, is you can't let the little things keep you from moving forward. You have to keep moving forward. I mean, so the world's less one graphic designer. He damn sure wasn't an actor. I owe you an apology. But know this, your name will go down in immortality with this film. The name Kevin Keenan will not die in vain. Alright, let's get out of here before someone catches us.
From the maker of such films as Mad Lab and Carpool comes a thriller. starring newcomer Kevin Keenan and award nominee Jimmy Adams. I'll kill you, you lifeless mug! Be sure you don't miss The Killer, coming this summer to a theater near you.